ko, parents. Fortunately, nakaaawon. Kapatid ko ngayon nasa UP. Kapatid na lalaki nasa yun, si Iman din. And
Bakit? Kasi the office stayed in the office. I didn't want to stay in the office. I want to go out, explore.
So you get the satisfaction of helping the world in what you're doing. It's a job that's much bigger than
Anyway, on behalf of Salay na perpendicular sa equator,